Nagpatong-patong na nga ang problemang kinahaharap ngayon ng GMA executives na sina Jojo Nones at Richard Cruz. Ito nga ay matapos magbigay ng pahayag sa Senado ang sparkle artist na si Sandro Mulak matapos nga umano itong galawin ng mga nasabing executives. Ayon umano kay Sandro, para umano siyang lantang gulay matapos nga daw ubusin nina Jojo at Richard ang lakas nito. Mabuti na nga lang daw at kinaya niyang makatakas matapos nga daw itong matauhan sa ginawang kawalangian nina Richard at Jojo. Samantala ayon kay Nino Mulak, tila nagka-damage umano ang pribadong parte ng katawan ni Sandro matapos ang insidente, at kinakailangan nga daw ng agarang gamutan upang maagapan ang maaring pagkaputol nito. Narito panoorin ang kanyang buong pahayag at kung paano pinagtanggol ni Nino ang anak.
Ano nararamdaman mo? Were you high? Nanghina ka ba?
Namanhid po ako, Your Honor.
Ha?
Minanhid po ako, Your Honor.
Ano to? Namanhid?
Minanhid po.
Namanhid?
Namanhid.
Namanhid?
Yes po,
Alright.
Your Honor.
So, you lie down in the bed. Am I correct? Correct me if I'm wrong, ha?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And then, when you lie down sa bed, doon nag-umpisa yung sexual harassment.
Hindi po ako nag-lie down. Hinila po ako sa bed.
Hinila ka sa bed?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Sino nang hila sa'yo sa bed?
Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
Jojo Nones. So, nung hinila ka sa bed, ano, napahiga ka ba? Napaupo ka ba? O ano?
Napahiga po ako.
Napahiga?
Yes po.
Alright. And then, that started everything?
Yes po, Your Honor. I don't wanna go into details po, Your Honor.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking. You were sexually harassed? Correct?
Yes po, Your Honor.
You deny?
Yes po, Your Honor, we deny allegations po.
Ano ginawa niyo doon sa bata?
Wala po kaming ginawang masama kay Sandro, Your Honor.
Ano nga ginawa niyo? Nung nandun siya?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Really?
Nagkwentuhan, we
Really?
played music, we socialized, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Anong pinagkwentuhan ninyo? Sige, interesado ako. Anong pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Marami po, like, ang simula po, ang mga napag-usapan po namin sa simula, yung sa gala, nadapa po si Ipon, tapos, and then yung mga after parties, mga ganun po. Napagkwentuhan po namin yung gala, yung mga events na nangyari during the gala, tapos, and then, yan, we were drinking, socializing, listening to some music.
Sandro, dali lang. Nakapagkwentuhan daw sila sa iyo.
Nakipagkwentuhan po nung una. Pinakilala po ako kay Richard Dode. Pinakilala po ako na si Sandro to. Magaling na artista to. Kinuha ko na to dati sa Agimat ng Agila. Magaling na bata na kontrabida to. Si Sandro, anak ni Nino. Ito po yung sabi. Yun po yung sabi niya. Yun lang po yung napag-usapan.
Yung kinikwento ni Mr. Nones ngayon, yung ba pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Hindi po totoo, Your Honor.
Mr. Nones?
These are allegations po, Your Honor, kasi we were just socializing po. In fact po, during the entire time, nakakapag-text freely po si Sandro. He was texting freely, so wala pong anything that connects to his allegations, Your Honor.
Can you repeat it again?
We deny po the allegations kasi po
ibig sabihin, pinatawag mo yung bata para makapagkwentuhan lang.
Hindi ko po siya pinatawag, Your Honor.
Kung nga nag-text
Yeah, umakyat po siya on his own volition at sinabi niya po na dadaan
At
lang
his
po siya
own
ng
volition
saglit.
because you texted him. God damn it, you.
Your Honor, with all due respect po, he said po, akyat po siya, dadaan po siya saglit.
Because you texted him. You were the first one who texted him. Diba? You did not deny it.
Yes, Your Honor. But
You
there was no direct
were
invitation from
luring
me.
Sandro to go to your room.
There was no luring involved, Your Honor. There was no direct invitation from me.
Anong klaseng tawag yun? You were inviting him.
It was just a conversation. Every text, Your Honor, is in response to
Ang hirap
another
sa'yo,
text,
ang dami
Your
mo nang
Honor.
dinilit na messages. Hindi lang naman si Sandro ang tinetext mo eh. Ang dami mo pang mga artistang tinetext eh. Baka makachamba ka eh. Oh no, you tell me the truth. We're here to ferret out the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. Okay? Because if you will continue to lie here before this committee, I have no other choice. I have no other alternative but to cite you in contempt.
I'm not lying po, Your Honor.
Did you harass him?
No po, Your
Sexually
Honor.
harassed?
No po, Your Honor.
Really? Huh? Really? You don't talk, you give advice.
Your Honor, these are the very same issues being investigated by the DOJ right now. So, if I keep further answering questions regarding the details, this could incriminate us and could affect our case and defense, Your Honor. These
No,
are...
I'm just asking you practical questions here. It's just answerable by yes or no. Why did you delete your messages? Kung wala ka talaga tinatago.
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, na-mention ko na po yun sa previous hearing at sa executive session, Your Honor. This further answering details regarding the case, Your Honor, will violate our right to self-incrimination, Your Honor, and we would like to invoke our right and answer those allegations. We can even provide you with our counter affidavit, Your Honor, once we receive the complaint from the DOJ, but we would like to be given the chance to answer them at a proper forum and know the allegations as well, Your Honor.
Totoo ba, based on my investigation, sinabi sa'yo, Sandro, ni Jojo Nones, what stays here, what happened here stays here. Kung ano
Correct po,
nangyari
Your-
sa kwarto,
Tama po,
mananatili
Your
sa kwarto lang.
Yes po.
Sino
Yes po,
nagsabi
Your Honor.
nun?
Si Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
Okay. Si Jojo Nones ang mas agresibo. Pardon my word. Pardon my term.
Parehas po sila, Your Honor.
Parehas silang ano,
Yes po, Your Honor.
so kasi dito sa investigasyon ko, no, binasa ko rin nung nakaraan, there was really sexual assault. Tinanggal mo yung t-shirt ni Sandro, di ba? Mr. Nones,
No po, Your Honor, hindi po.
tinanggal mo yung t-shirt.
No po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Ha?
No po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Tinanggal
totoo.
ba t-shirt mo, Sandro?
Si Richard po yung nagtanggal. Polo po yung tinanggal, hindi po t-shirt, Your Honor. Pero,
Oh, Richard.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, hindi po totoo yun.
Tanga ng tunga. Puta, hindi na kayo naawa sa bata. Puta, yun na. Ha? Tapos lahat ng kababuyan ginawa niyo sa bata, puta.
Your Honor, with all due respect, please don't judge us. Hindi pa po kami convicted sa case. The case
No, but
has
you're
just
lying.
been filed po. We are not
I'm
lying
not
po, Your
judging you,
Honor.
you're lying.
We're also just defending our side, Your Honor. It is our constitutional right to defend our right, Your Honor. So we are not being disrespectful at all. We're not lying. We're just
Okay. What was the action that GMA 7? What was the action of GMA 7 with regard to the complaint of Sandro?
We were sent a notice to explain, and supplemental notice to explain, and then we were put on preventive suspension, Your Honor.
You're suspended.
Yes, Your
Both
Honor.
of you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor. Wala po kaming kinikita as of now.
Eh, dapat nga, hindi lang suspension ng inabot ninyo eh. Dapat expulsion.
Well, may,
If indeed, these allegations are true. Hindi naman sa... I'm not preempting everything, no? Pero, base sa usap-usapan, base rin sa investigasyon ko, may drugs involved. Okay? Ang tanong, saan mo kinuha ang drugs? Ha? Saan nyo kinuha ang drugs na pinangsinghot nyo ro sa bata? Na wala namang kaalam-alam yung bata. First time niya ginawa na dahil because you lured him to take these drugs. Tana, kabat, ilan taon nito? 23? Ilan taon ka na ba, Sandro?
23 po, Your
Oh.
Honor.
Ngayon lang siya, umaayaw na nga. Pinilit nyo pa. Umaayaw na ngang suminghot, pinipilit mo pa.
Your Honor, may I po? With all due respect po, Your Honor, kung yung mga ano nyo po, galing lang po kay Sandro as allegations, Your Honor, they are just allegations
Excuse
po,
me.
Your Honor.
Hindi galing kay Sandro, investigation ko.
Okay
Hindi
po,
ko
Your
naman kilala yan eh. Ang
Pero-
tatay kilala ko. At hindi, I never interviewed his father. I got this from a different source. During the first hearing. Oh. Huwag mo turuan dito. O ano, Mr. Nones, you still deny the allegations? Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor, kasi kaming tatlo lang naman po ang nandun sa room, so wala pong ibang source ng information, Your Honor.
Kasi yung ibang investigation ko rito, hindi na for public consumption eh. Kasi hindi na maganda pakinggan eh.